Okay, everyone. So, one more new cue card. Describe a time when you got late to sleep. Recently, this topic was asked September to December 2022. If you're going to take exam in the month of September, October, November, or December in 2022, so then you might get this topic on your test day. Questions are you should say when it happened, why did you get late, who you were with, how did you feel about it. So, let's see the sample answer for band 9. It was quite hard for me to prepare this topic because it happened very rarely, because I wouldn't rank myself as an evening person. I wouldn't rank myself, that means I wouldn't consider myself as an evening person. Evening person, the person who wakes up late in the morning and who sleeps late in the evening. Okay, but here I've decided to talk about a time when I ridiculously got late to sleep. जब आप बहुत ज़्यादा late हो जाएं, ridiculously got late. It was the time when my four-legged friend named Hachi, my dog, got lost and he didn't come that particular evening. We had been looking for our dog all night and I couldn't even blink my eye for a second. Usually, I take him for an evening walk, but unfortunately, he went for a walk with my grandma and ran off. She wasn't able to keep her eyes on Hachi. Four-legged friend, आप cat को भी बोल सकते हैं और आप dog के लिए भी use कर सकते हैं. Had been looking past perfect continuous. Blink my eye, पलक को झपकना. Blink my eye. Unfortunately, when you're not fortunate. Okay, ran off means ran away. Now it was around 12 a.m. that we were still searching for our dog. And to be perfectly honest, पूरा ईमानदार साथ मैं कहूँ तो nobody had dinner till that time. Everyone was feeling blue, means everyone was feeling sad. And my grandparents also didn't sleep. Luckily, my father thought about the microchip with the honors details. Microchip जो dog के ऊपर लगी होती है जिस पे सारी detail होती है honor की. I guess that around 2 a.m. I started feeling sleepy. Sleepy means जब आपको नींद आनी शुरू हो जाए, but I didn't want to sleep because Hachi is the apple of my eye. If somebody is the apple of your eye, that means आप उस person को बहुत पसंद करते हैं. For example, you can say that ABC is the apple of my eye, जिसको बोलते हैं आँखों का तारा. Hachi is the apple of my eye. Fortunately, one of our neighbors went for a morning walk around 4 a.m. and he phoned my father immediately after seeing our Hachi. He phoned means उसने call किया या उन्होंने phone किया. I was so relieved and I started crying when he came to me. If I'm not mistaken, अगर मैं गलत नहीं हूँ, that day I hit the sack. Advanced English है, इसकी जगह अगर आपको simple use करना है तो आप use कर सकते हो went to bed, went to sleep. लेकिन hit the sack, so it's an idiom. I hit the sack around 5 a.m. जब आप पूरा थक हार के सोते हैं कि oh my god, thank god ऐसा कुछ हुआ. Hit the sack around 5 a.m. in the morning. To be honest, I woke up around 12 p.m. We thanked profusely our neighbor. जब आप thank profusely करते हैं किसी को, that means again and again you say thank you, thank you so much. We thanked profusely our neighbor and took one picture of my uncle and with my dog and uploaded it on Instagram to share a great example of honesty. So this was our today's sample answer. इसके अलावा कोई और sample answer ऐसा है जो आप चाहते हैं September to December 2022 की लिस्ट में जो मैं आपके लिए अपलोड करूं, so feel free to share any cue card in my comment section below and I would definitely be sharing that cue card sample answer with all of you. इसके अलावा अगर आप ऑनलाइन आइलेट्स क्लासेस ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं मेरे साथ स्पीकिंग की, तो मेरा व्हाट्सएप नंबर स्क्रीन पर है और इसके अलावा आप ऑफलाइन भी ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं मंडी दवाली में. वंस अगेन थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो एंड लिसनिंग टू अरुण विशेस. टेक केयर, बाय बाय.